Okay, so in this video we're going to be talking about how to do unitary proportion. Now for some people this would be quite easy to do, it's just got a posh name. But generally what you need to do for these sorts of questions is work out the cost of one, because normally these are to do with costs, and then just multiply by how many that you want. Okay, now you will be given a bit of context to start off with so that you are able to find the cost of one and then you can go from there. So for the first one, we know the cost of 4 pens is £1.28. We need to find the cost of 6. So if we know that 4 of the pens is equal to this amount, to find out 1, we just divide that cost by the number of pens, so divide it by 4. Okay. Now I'm going to use calculator just to make sure that I'm doing it all right, but if you want to practice and you don't need to, I think it's 32p. Yeah. Okay, now you can leave it in pounds if you want to. I think 32p is much easier to deal with, but that's your decision. Okay, so this is the cost of 1. Cost of 1. Okay, in the question it asks that we have 6 of them. So what we do is we multiply the cost of 1 with 6. £1.92, I think. Let's check. £1.92. Okay, and that's the final answer. So that is a cost for 6 pens. Okay, now it doesn't get too much harder than this. Sometimes they can just add a bit more words, but other than that, they're nice questions. Okay, so EG2, Jackie buys 8 chocolate bars for £4.72. How much would 5 chocolate bars be? So again, to find the cost of 1, we do the cost that's given in the question, which is the £4.72, and we divide it by 8 because that was the cost of 8. 59p, I think. Yes, 59p. Okay, the question wants us to work out the cost of 5 of them. So we then do 5 times 59p. 295, I think. 59. 295. 295. Okay, and that's the final answer. So by wordy I mean like EG3. Okay, so Rose and Mickey are selling decorations for parties. They sell 4 rolls of gold streams for £24 and 5 bags of glitter for £15, and we need to work out the cost. We've got 2 separate questions. I'm just going to split it down the middle just for A and B. A, B. Now before we can even do these, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the cost of 1, just so that then when I do part A and B, that's really quick and easy. Okay, so for the gold streams, so for 1 of them, so it says in the question it's 4 rolls for £24. Okay, so we can work out 1 by doing 24 divided by 4, which means that each one must be £6. Okay, same for the glitter. So glitter comes 5 bags is 15. So 1 bag of glitter must be 15 divided by 5, which is £3. So there must be £3 each. Okay, so now we can actually answer the question. I'm going to do this in green. So for part A, we want 3 of the gold streams and we want 7 of the glitter. Okay, so for the 3 lots of gold streams, we know that 1 is 6, so 3 of them is going to be 3 times 6, which is 18. Okay, for the 7 glitter, each glitter, 1 of them is £3, so 7 would be 7 times £3, which is 21. So in total, we just add those two numbers together. So 18 plus 21, which is 39. Okay, so that's the answer to part A. Part B is very similar, it's just we've got different numbers. So we've got 7 rolls of gold streams and 4 of glitter. Okay, so for the 7 gold streams, so it's 7 times 6, which is £42. Okay, and for the glitter, 4 times £3, which is 12. And then we just add those together. 42 plus 12, which is £54. Okay, and that's the final answer.